Now it's our widget of the week. Brandy, our Whissel widget of the week is something that saves us time, helps us make more money, helps us have more fun, or just something you want to share with someone.
Awesome. Well, my Whissel widget of the week is sticking with coaching. As we're talking about coaching, there is a book. So for those of you that can't see and are listening, it's a book called Coaching Questions, A Coach's Guide to Powerful Asking Skills. And the author is Tony, and I'm going to completely screw up his name, but it's Stoltzfus, Stoltzfus, Tony Stoltzfus. Coaching Questions, A Coach's Guide to Powerful Asking Questions is what it is. And it's a really great way to get started. If you don't know what to ask, what questions to ask, it's a really good way to at least get started.
Well, we already told them what questions to ask.
Well,
so you don't have to do it. We already told you. The end. We made an impact.
It's a widget.
My widget this week is an app for the phone to help edit video. This was introduced to me by another real estate agent who does a lot of video at an event that I just went to. It's from Adobe. It's called Premiere Rush. It's their online version of Adobe Premiere. You can start editing stuff on your phone, have it transferred to the computer, go back and forth. Pretty neat. I haven't done a lot with it, but if you like working in Adobe Premiere, if maybe you are a video editor yourself and want to be able to do something a little bit more powerful on your phone than just cutting and adding a transition here or there, check out Adobe Premiere Rush. I really like it.
I use it all the time.
She doesn't.
No, I don't.
She goes, I don't know what an Adobe is.
Coachy, will you do this for me, please?
That's what I do. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next week.
Thanks.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.